For the production of consonant sounds, the role of the articulatory mechanism is somewhat different than for vowels. Unlike vowel sounds, which are characterized by a relatively open tube, most consonants involve a constriction or a complete obstruction of the vocal tract. These constrictions or obstructions are produced by movements of the articulatory structures and result in the production of noise. The manner in which the noise is produced varies. On fricative sounds, such as the S, the noise results from forcing air under pressure through a constriction in the tract. Stop plosives, such as the T, involve the buildup of pressure behind a complete tract obstruction, followed by a release of the air, resulting in a popping sound. Affricate sounds, such as the ch, represent a combination of these two noises, a stop and a frictional release. For glide sounds and nasal consonants, resonance characteristics, rather than noise production, are important. On the glide R, as in the word read, the changing dimensions of the tract that result from the gliding action of the tongue produce the characteristics which differentiate this sound from others.
Read, 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 read.